Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what is included in the box of TOZO OpenEgo. So we're gonna do a little unboxing and I'm gonna show you what is included in the box. So let's open them. There we go. Now, at first, of course, we can see some papers. We can take them out. Over here you can already see the case. This is how it looks like. And the USB cable. So in those papers we should find the quick guide. We also have the manual and some another piece of paper with the guide. So that's about it. Now over here we have the case itself, and like I said, we have the USB cable. Let me actually try to take it out. I'm gonna start with the cable itself. It's a pretty small packaging, pretty small box, but we can open it pretty easily. There we go. And inside we also have additional accessory for the earbuds. So I believe those are braces which are optional to wear. You can put them on to the earbuds if you want to. And of course we should also have the USB cable inside. Yep, there we go. So we have the USB cable with, apparently this should be USB-C on one side and USB, the normal USB end on the other. So let's actually take a look. Let's take this off. There we go. The cable is not too long, but yeah, this is how it looks like. So we have that. And of course we have the case itself, which looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. It should also have the display, so if I open them, then it should be displaying the percentage of the battery. Inside, of course, we have the headphones. And I really like the packaging. It looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. I'm gonna put this away for a sec. And at the back, we should have the slot for the USB cable. So let's take a look if it actually fits. Yep, there we go. So this one is of course used to charge the case for the earbuds, and of course you can plug it in to your PC, your laptop, or something similar, or maybe even to your charger, for instance from your smartphone. And this is pretty much it. This is everything that is included in the box of TOZO OpenEgo. And yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.